The history of London is evident everywhere you look, even here in this courtyard at the FSU Study Center. This rear masonry wall is believed to be the oldest remaining brick structure in all of London. Like most of FSU's property here, it dates to the late 1600s. Much of that historic and original charm is still found throughout the Study Center, and nowhere is that charm more evident than at the main entrance to FSU's home in London.
Many of the students have said to me that it just never gets old. They're constantly struck by it.
It is an oil-on-plaster ceiling painting at the top of a grand staircase, and it dates to the early 1700s. Talk about a rare find in a rare building.
Building 99 is a very special building because it's probably the oldest building out of the seven that FSU are in there. A building that is only one of two examples left in the UK of a house built on that sort of form.
It's fun to be able to be learning in a place with so much beauty in it, and it's so old and kind of historic itself. A lord and a lady used to live there, and it's really neat.
These days, the lords and ladies have been replaced by men and women from FSU's international programs who study here while studying abroad.
It's a very intimate setting. I have 6 people in one of my classes and 8 in the other. And when you get that hands-on experience with a teacher, it just pulls everything that much more closer and you learn so much more.
There's a 24-hour computer lab, which is great. There's a library, really great lecture halls where you're able to just all meet together, and they have projection and everything that a classroom would need.
And everything a student would need. It's a relaxed environment and a secure one with apartment-style living right in the study center.
Every flat comes equipped with a kitchen, a television, a shower, beds, desk. You get all the amenities that you would in a dorm at the university.
FSU's Study Center is just a block away from the British Museum and is smack dab in the middle of London.
If you look at a British tube map, it's dead center. You look at it and you're in the center of the city.
It's situated in an area where the students are most fortunate to live because very few Londoners can afford to live here. And FSU had the foresight to buy this property in the centre of London.
A study center in the center of what's being studied. That's FSU London.